Greetings, creative junkies. In this tutorial series, I'm going to show you the process of logo design, from sketching logo concepts, to selecting the perfect fonts, to custom lettering in Illustrator, to complete logo design, and we'll wrap it up with designing a business card using our new logo. Sit back and enjoy. Welcome to video 1 of my logo design tutorial. So today I'm going to be sketching out a new logo concept. A friend of mine owns a company called Lux Event Planning. He needs a new logo, something that is classy and elegant, a little bit old school. So I'm playing with some serif looking shapes, and I'm just trying to open up my mind and think of different ways that this elegant look can be created. I always start with a pencil and sketchbook, way before I go into digital, way before Illustrator or Photoshop, just to get some shapes down that have uniqueness, that's not just what anybody can find in any font. And I'm kind of just exploring different ways this can be viewed, always starting with the L first, the main letter of the company name, Lux, L-U-X-X. And I spend maybe an hour, maybe 2 total, filling up 10 pages of a sketchbook. Just kind of take it easy and open your mind and think of different letter forms that can be used for the final logo. I'm starting to think that the X shape can be something that we can leverage as a unique shape or form. Something that will be repeated because there are 2 X's in the company name Lux Events. But I have a feeling that the final is going to have a really unique looking X letter form. Again, something you can't find in any font, something that you can only create straight out of your head. And from a sketchbook straight to Illustrator, and some kind of custom letter form is really going to give the client an edge. When you finally give a finished concepts to the client. Right now I'm still kind of hooked on this idea of this really elegant L shape. It's a little too feminine, a little too just might not work, but I don't want to throw away any ideas at this point. So just exploring. Don't edit yourself in the beginning while you're sketching. You want to make sure that you explore any idea that pops into your head. You can always decide not to pursue it as an actual logo, but don't hold back in the beginning. It's really important. So there's something about this double X. It's an opportunity to produce something that has uniqueness. And that flowing shape that crosses itself, it's really an opportunity I want to exploit. So I think the sketch I'm making right now is going to be the basis for at least one of the concepts that I produce. An initial cap with the L and everything else is lowercase. It's really bold and confident, and it has a certain simplicity that I like. So once I finish these sketches here, I will use images of these and bring them into my Illustrator file and start doing some custom letter forms. But first we're going to use an online tool called wordmark.it to select some fonts that are similar to our sketches, to save us some time to get to a final logo. Tune into the next video to see how I select fonts for this logo. Thanks for watching.